Today I'm going to walk you through how I built a whiteboard for my garage using a standard picture frame and some paint pens. First off is the picture frame. You can use any desired size, but 18 inches is the best one because the drawer liner padding I'm showing is 18 inches wide. Then finally, you can use any paint pen of your choice. I use these white chalk markers. They're about $7 for a pack of 4. Now in this example, I'm actually using a 22 by 30 inch frame, so I had to use 2 passes of the drawer liner. But you can do, if you use an 18 inch by 24 inch frame, you can do 1 pass the opposite way that I'm showing here. All you have to do is just roll out the drawer liner, cut it to length. If you're having your kids do it, of course, have them use scissors, not the X-Acto knife. I just take the other piece, overlap it, cut it to size. And put it into place. Again, it's just a background, so you don't even really notice it from the front. Cardboard backing that came with the picture frame, I just put back in as a backer to hold everything smooth against the glass. And as I'm writing here, it's that easy. So, just showing you, I have it mounted near my stairs as we walk into the house, but typically I just write down whatever I'm going to work on that day so I don't forget anything. I can also leave messages for my wife. Works out very well. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and others, be sure to subscribe to the channel.